everyone, Tony Smith here again with crinco.com, and today we're diving into the fine print of a standard primary residence home insurance policy to see what it says about coverage for things like jewelry and watches and collectibles, etc., etc. You know, those high-ticket items. So a standard primary residence home insurance policy will generally provide coverage for your personal property in an amount equal to 25 to 50% of your dwelling coverage. So if you have a $200,000 home that you're insuring, you typically have anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 in coverage for your personal belongings. And this coverage is intended to get you back on your feet in the event of a significant claim. It covers things like furniture, beds, clothing, pots and pans, etc. But what if you have sports memorabilia, or jewelry, or watches, or art, or other collectibles? Will your policy cover these items? The answer is generally yes, but not to the extent that you'd expect. You see, homeowners insurance is intended to get you back on your feet after a claim. It's not intended to cover high-ticket items. In fact, most primary residence home insurance policies have special sublimits in place when it comes to these types of items. And the coverage is really, really limited. The coverage typically maxes out coverage to no more than $1,500 or so per item, and no more than $1,500 or so in total coverage. So it could be one item for $1,500 or three items at $500 or any variation thereof, but my point is, it's not a lot of coverage. So what should you do if you have high-ticket items? Well, you either need to schedule these items on your home insurance policy or purchase a separate policy that's meant to cover high-ticket items. Depending on the items that you're looking to insure, you may have to have them appraised or need to provide receipts at minimum. And if you purchase a separate policy, it typically comes with no deductible or very low deductible, and will provide worldwide coverage and will typically provide more extensive coverage than your home insurance policy. The premium is typically 1 to 2% of the total value of the items that you're looking to insure, depending on the item, its use, and its location, of course. So if you're looking to insure $20,000 of collectibles, you'd be looking at roughly $200 to $400 per year in additional premium. And if you have high-ticket items in your house, don't just assume that they're covered. Call your insurance company or your agent to inquire. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Coverage for collectibles explained in under 3 minutes. crinco.com, insurance simplified.